Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I want to show you how you can create a standalone landing page dedicated to downloading your KW Consumer app. It's a place where consumers can come, scan a QR code, and easily download your branded KW app. So first, let's log into Command. Over on the left-hand side, you can click Websites, click Edit Agent Site, and click Expert Mode in the top right-hand corner. Now, again, just for clarification, we are going to create a standalone landing page right here. This means that it will not be linked to your KW agent or team site. It will be a standalone page with a dedicated URL. You can use this for like paid ads as a landing page. If you are wanting the page to be accessible through your KW agent site, where a consumer can go to your site and find this page listed on a tab on your site, then you would want to create the custom page option right here. And we have a separate tip video to show you how to do that, labeled Create Download My App Custom Site Page. For today's video, this is a landing page. Again, it is a standalone page, in no way, shape, or form linked to the KW agent or team site. So let's go ahead and click landing page. Go ahead and name your page. In real time, you'll see the preview update on the right-hand side. You can add further description. You could even add a background image if you would like one to appear in this gray area. You can also choose to hide that title from the page itself if you want to, just for some further customization. For today, we're going to leave it as it is and click Add Module at the bottom. Click Additional Modules and choose Download My App module. You should see this update in real time on the right-hand side. This is what the module looks like. I do want to point out it says scan the QR code and has an arrow pointing to a blank space. No worries, a QR code should generate right here in this area once you publish the page. So when we get to that point on your end, you should see a QR code populate there. Ours is a demo account, so a QR code is not going to populate on ours. If you feel that this is an error on your account, if you're not seeing that QR code populate for any reason, you can always reach out to us and we'll be happy to take a look and see what could be causing that not to happen. One more thing on a landing page, it's just always a good idea to include your contact me form. That way you have that opportunity to capture leads. So we are going to click Add Module one more time, choose Additional Modules, and choose Form. Click on the blank line within that form or within that module and click Default right here. This could say Contact Me form or Default Agent Contact. It may say something different in yours, but this is the default Contact Me form. Now on the right-hand side, you'll see it populate underneath. It should have your branding and the lead capture form right here. Now that we've successfully built our page, we can click Publish at the top right. Congratulations, you've now published your standalone landing page. You should see the URL slug right up here at the top. If you give that a click, it should take you right to that landing page where you can view this. And you can also use this link in any kind of marketing that you would like to. Again, also available to use as a landing page within your paid ad campaigns as well. If you have any questions at all, or again, run into any snags, you can email us at support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.